Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Talks, the place where you can improve your English with simple conversations and real life topics.
That's right. Here we learn English in a natural way, not from boring grammar books. I'm David.
And I'm Cora. We're really happy you're here with us today.
So, Cora, how was your day?
Pretty good, but honestly, I feel a bit tired today. I slept late last night watching movies.
Ah, yes, the classic just one more episode or just one more movie situation. We all know that feeling.
Exactly. But I'm still happy because today's topic is really useful.
Yes, today we're talking about something that affects everyone, wasting time.
And don't worry, this will not be a serious lecture. We'll keep it simple, friendly, and easy to understand.
Before we start, if you enjoy this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Especially that friend who says, I don't have time, but spends hours scrolling on their phone.
We all know that friend. Sometimes it's us too.
Yes, very true.
What does waste time mean? Okay, Cora, let's start simple. What does waste time actually mean?
In simple words, wasting time means using your time on things that don't help you and don't give any real benefit.
So it's not about relaxing or having fun sometimes.
No, not at all. Rest and fun are important. But wasting time is when you spend a long time on something and later feel, I didn't get anything from this.
That regret feeling.
Yes, exactly.
Time is very valuable. Every day we get 24 hours, and once they are gone, they never come back.
Right. You can lose money and earn it again, but time is gone forever.
And most people don't even notice how they lose it.
Especially with phones. You open social media for 5 minutes, and suddenly 1 hour is gone.
And you don't even remember what you saw.
Exactly.
A small story. Let me tell you a quick story.
Go ahead.
One day, I was working on my laptop. I felt tired and said, I'll just take a short break.
Sounds normal.
Yes, but I opened my phone and started watching random videos.
Danger zone.
Very dangerous. One video became 10 videos. I thought, just one more.
That's how it always starts.
Yes. Then I checked the time. More than 1 hour was gone.
Wow.
And honestly, I didn't feel good after that. I felt tired and a bit guilty.
That's very common. Time gets wasted and energy also gets strained.
Exactly. That day, I realized I need better control over my time. Tip 1. Make a small plan.
Let's start with the first tip. Make a small plan.
Yes, many people make very big goals like, I will study English for 3 hours daily,
And then they get tired and stop after a few days.
because it feels too heavy.
So instead, keep it small and simple.
Like what?
For example, learn 3 new words, listen to 10 minutes of English, read 1 page in English.
That feels much easier.
Yes, small plans are easier to follow.
Think of it like steps. You don't jump to the top of a building. You climb step by step.
Exactly. I also use this method when I started learning another language.
How?
I told myself I will study only 10 minutes a day.
Only 10?
Yes, some days I did more, but my minimum was 10 minutes.
And that helped?
Yes, a lot. It was easy to start and I stayed consistent.
Tip 2. Use small free moments.
Okay, next tip. Use your small free moments during the day.
Like waiting time?
Yes, waiting for a bus, standing in line, or sitting in a taxi.
Most people just scroll on their phones.
Exactly. But you can use that time better.
How?
Review vocabulary, listen to English audio, or read a few lines.
That's actually very practical.
Yes, I know someone who improved English just using small moments.
Really?
Yes, she had a job and kids, so no free time. But she used 5-10 minutes here and there.
And it worked?
Yes, after a few months, her English improved a lot.
That's amazing. Tip 3. Make English fun.
Now the third tip. Make English fun.
Yes, because if learning feels like pressure, people stop.
Exactly. Your brain avoids stress.
So what can we do?
Connect English with things you love.
Like music, movies, games?
Yes, I learned a lot from songs. I used to read lyrics and repeat them.
That helps pronunciation too.
Yes, and because it was fun, I kept doing it.
I improved listening by watching shows with subtitles.
At first, it's hard, but slowly you understand more.
Tip 4. Watch out for time thieves. Now let's talk about time thieves.
I love that phrase.
A time thief is anything that steals your time without giving value.
For most people, it's social media.
Yes, it starts small, but takes hours.
I also experience this. I opened my phone for one message and ended up scrolling for a long time.
Same here.
That's why we need rules.
Like what?
Keep phone away while studying, turn off notifications, or set time limits.
Simple but powerful. Rest is not wasting time.
Now, an important point. Rest is not wasting time.
Yes, very important.
We are not machines. We need rest.
Think of your body like a battery.
If you don't recharge it, it will die.
I once worked late while tired. The work was not good.
And next day?
After rest, I finished the same work in much less time and better quality.
So rest actually improves productivity.
Useful vocabulary. Let's quickly review some important words.
Intentional, doing something on purpose.
Distracted, unable to focus.
Routine, daily habits you follow.
Balance, a healthy mix of different things in life.
Time thief, something that wastes your time.
Final message. So, Cora, what should listeners do today?
Start small. One simple step.
Like learning 3 words or listening to 10 minutes of English.
Yes, don't wait for tomorrow.
Small actions every day create big results.
And remember, you don't need perfection, just consistency.
Your time is valuable. Use it wisely.
Thanks for listening to the English Leap podcast.
We hope this episode helps you improve your English and your time habits.
Take care and keep learning.
Bye, everyone.
See you next time.